so it's next week's vlog already. I'm gonna edit the other week's vlog, but in the meantime, I'm gonna give her these bones because she won't stop crying for it. So, shake. Good girl. There you go. Oh, her eyes look blue in this. Shake. Thank you. There you go. But I'm gonna edit the first week's vlog of Vlogmas and post that for you guys right now, and then get started on this week's vlog. I'm watching the floor right now, just relaxing. I have work tomorrow, but later I have a little breakout going on, which is not cute, but I'll use my solo wave and I'll show you guys that later. Let me see your hands. My little nasty filter.
I've ordered for Tatiana.
I can't hear you, man.
Tatiana?
A ver, ¿ya me explica? ¿Tatiana?
Yeah. Awesome, thank you.
Are you like that? Hi. I got this new blanket for us. It's soft for only
Oh, good. I'll talk to you later. What is it? Oh, hello, Michi. What a wonderful surprise. I was actually just talking to one of my elves, and I've learned that you might receive the gift you wish for Christmas if you keep on doing the best you can. While you're here, let's look at your big book together, huh? Aha! Look at you. You've grown so much. Oh, look, it's your mother. She loves you so much.
What is up, my peeps? I am currently getting ready to go on live for TikTok. I downloaded the Dress to Impress app on here, and then I downloaded this so I can get started, so I can be a serious live vlogger. Mooch. But in the meantime, I'm cooking dinner. My camera looks disgusting. I think there's... Here we go, that's a little better. So it's currently Thursday, December 12th. So tomorrow we're leaving for our trip to Mammoth Mountain. So today it's all about packing, preparing, and getting any last minute things we need. Thought I would hop on and show you guys what I got from Ulta. I just recently picked this up today. And first things first, this Best in Snow. It's a 2-piece gift set, but it's for myself because I really wanted the earmuffs, and the body mist is just a plus. Oh my gosh. Ah, they feel so fuzzy and warm. Let me see what they look like in the mirror. Perfect. I have some black ones, but these are so cute. I love how they have the pearls on them. Ooh, very happy with that. And then the Toasted Vanilla. Let's see how this is. Scented Shimmer Body Mist. Toasted Vanilla. I'll just put it right here. It reminds me of like just a classic vanilla scent, like Bath and Body Works spray I used to have. And it does have a nice shimmer to it. I'll try and show you guys. I need some hair ties, so I just got some no snag elastics. This Kopari Bright Skin Essentials kit. I'll go ahead and open that and show you guys what it comes with. Okay, so it comes with 3 items. One of them is mini, and it's a caffeine eye bright cream. So that's pretty cool. And then we have Star Bright Vitamin C Moisturizer. And a gel cleanser. So this is all from the Kopari brand. Then I got Morphe Quick Switch Dry Brush Cleaner. Ooh, it has an M on it. Basically, it's just for you to clean your brushes on. Nice. And then I got Morphe, the blush, or I'm sorry, Sun Drop. So it's a bronzer, a liquid bronzer in the color Hot Shot. I've never used these before, so I'm pretty excited to try them out. She's excited for Mammoth. Doggo's going too. So here's what we're bringing in terms of our food and snacks. Coconut water. I have 3 of these. We're going 2 nights, 3 days, so 1 for each day. I bought this 20 case of Cheez-Its, and it has those kinds. Some lids, because we'll drink some coffee and tea in the hotel, and we'll use these. And then I got some peanuts. You gotta stay fueled when you're on the mountain, because snowboarding really takes it out of you. Got the Uncrustables, so we'll eat those. And I'm gonna make these tonight. And then I'm just making dinner right now. I'm making the sauce is boiling a lot. Fettuccine with this lemon ricotta sauce. Nice. That's when we're on the mountain. We have a nice bag of water to help. It's currently 11:24. We're off on going on the road to Mammoth Mountain. We got 2 goons in the back, Mochi and Doggo. Mochi's been bad, so hopefully she'll be good enough to get some treats we packed her. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys along the road trip. I hope you guys enjoy it. We're going to stop along some stops, and we'll take you. We are in a little town called Mojave.
I don't know if
Gas can tell the prices right here. $4.69 because we have to get the 90.
what we pay in Huntington.
Yeah. Oh.
It's actually
This is our first stop.
because it's credit.
Oh, that's worse. This is our first stop, and I don't want to go outside though because it's windy, and I don't really have to go to the bathroom yet, even though I tooted along the way.
So we're gonna see how that turns out.
We'll find a bathroom.
Well, look at that train.
We made it to our pit stop, and we were gonna take pictures of the stars, but the moon is so bright tonight. that we decided not to. It is about 5:30 a.m. We're here at the Denny's in Bishop, and my boyfriend needs to get a burrito because he's mad hungry. I'm not. I just went and used the restroom because it's the first time I've used the restroom so far, and it felt amazing. The dogs are in the back, as you can see, Doggo, and then Mochi is sleepy on the ground. But yeah, I'll show you guys the next stop. Right now we're just at the Denny's. We ordered a burrito. Well, he ordered a burrito and they don't have any, so they completed the order. I was like, can you cancel it? And they were like, you're gonna have to do that. So then he went back in and ordered a Grand Slam, because he's really hungry. So that's the situation. Oh, the people with the Grand Slam witches. Oh, you woke up Mochi.
She smells the bacon.
Ooh, it smells good. I might need a bite. You're like, no.
No, bitch.
I'm gonna have to cut that out. The gland. Holy crap. Oh my god, relax. The Grand Slam bitch. In the car right now. We arrived, we went to the bathroom, we took the dogs out, they went to the bathroom, and then honestly I wasn't feeling that well, so I kind of got sick, but now I'm on the mend, and I realized that everybody's wearing a helmet, so I don't feel comfortable going until I buy a helmet. Because I'm still learning, and this is my first time on a big mountain like this, so I'm gonna get some gear before I go up. But it's nice just to people watch and enjoy the snow. And the wind is picking up. There's going to be a storm tonight, snowfall, so
This afternoon,
excited. Yeah, this afternoon. I got the dog sweaters, so that's Doggo's, and then the smaller one's Mochi's. She's been being bad, so we have to separate them. My prince, I'm going to put on his sweater right now. You want to wear your sweater? Doggo has his sweater on, super cute. Finally made it to the hotel. It's a basic setup. It has your shower, nice. I'm gonna put my clothes right here. More places to hang your stuff, TV, a big window, king size bed with a nice board, and we got the dogs. This window is kind of dangerous though because it doesn't have a screen. From the mountain. It looks like I've been crying because I have. Because it's so dang stormy right now. I went to the chairlift, I got on, I got off, I fell one time. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, so I went up there and I knew I couldn't do it. Like I just knew I couldn't see, I couldn't get straight on my board. Like the conditions were making me just too cold to even practice doing my turns and anything. So somebody saw me, a ranger, and they came up and were like, do you need help? And then I was like, you know what, let me just go because there's no way I'm gonna get down safe. And unfortunately he went down and he did hit his head and his nose, I guess, was smacked right with your camera that you had on.
I guess so.
We're gonna fix it though, and then hopefully tomorrow the conditions will be better so we can go snowboarding because today
it's frozen solid. But
oh my gosh. Yeah.
frozen solid.
We need better equipment. I rented a helmet and I'm definitely gonna need it tomorrow. I'll extend it, and I need goggles, so I might have to pick those up tomorrow. But it's supposed to be sunny, so we'll see. But so far, Mammoth is incredible. It's definitely scary though if you're not used to the conditions. I feel so bad. Oh, it smells so good. I know. Oh, I feel so bad for him. Look at that. Ugh, the bruise. Hi, guys. Oh, I took her outside. She didn't go to the bathroom. I'm going to take him out. This is our windows now. It's totally... Whoa, the wind was talking to us. I got my ramen set up. It looks so freaking good.
Always keep a fucking knife on.
I turned her into Glinda, the good witch. But she's a bad witch. You know what she's doing over here? Chewing on my zipper. Glinda! And then Doggo over there. He's Alphaba today. Are you Elfie? And I wanted to show you guys my socks. I didn't get to shred it today. Snowmobiled down, and you guys will see that footage because he got it on the GoPro. So yeah, it was an eventful day today. I feel like it's been a day, but we still have so much left to do. Hoping to do something later, go to the village, maybe some ice skating. But for now, it's still, the storm is still raging on. Oh my gosh! Show off the jacket. All right, it is time to try the ice cream sandwich mint chocolate chip. This is a, I believe it's freeze dried, right? Or
Yeah.
okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Calories, if you guys care. Look at how cute my little girl looks right there on the bed. All right, I put my microphone on. Let's go ahead and try this ice cream sandwich. This is the mint chocolate chip flavor. We got it from REI. The brand is Mountain House. Oh my gosh, I love how the paper comes like it looks like how when you get it frozen, like in the grocery store. Looks like it's kind of cracked though. I'm scared.
Yeah, it's gonna be brittle. It's pretty crumbly and brittle.
Okay, it's not cracked actually. I thought it was going to be like really cracked. So this is what it looks like. It smells sweet. Right?
Yeah.
I'm going to show the camera better. This is what it looks like. I have it in the ultra lens. Mochi's in the lens. All right, now time for the taste test. This is still on so it can get some ASMR. Ready? Whoa. Mmm. Mmm. It definitely tastes like mint chocolate chip. I mean, the texture is not going to taste like ice cream. It's obviously crunchy, but once you start to chew it, it gets like kind of creamy. Can you see? Mmm. It's incredible. If I had to live in an apocalypse and these were an option for dessert, I would be like, yay! The freeze-dried ice cream. I would love to have different flavors. Cookie dough, like if they do that one, that would be fire. Cookies and cream. Neapolitan, I saw. A lot. Vanilla. Mmm. I, I would definitely get it again. I think it's a great option if you're camping or somewhere where you don't have access to a freezer, or you just don't have a freezer along the way and you want to travel with food, then this is definitely a great option. Or if you just want to stock your doomsday place. Because it.
Try the freeze-dried meals.
Oh, me too. That'll be our next video. We'll do a taste test of freeze-dried meals. That's a good idea. And this doesn't expire until April of 2027. So you can have this in your basement for a while before it goes bad. Yeah, I would definitely get it again. I'm going to try the freeze-dried meals next. You're going to be disappointed. They were sold out of everything except one thing.
Get the fuck out of here.
I'm not kidding.
Go back down there.
I forgot to show y'all what we got from the Vons. We got this marshmallow hot cocoa Pop-Tarts. And then we got this Cadbury Rocky the Road milk chocolate bar. It's really good. And then we got this 12-pack of donuts from Vons, the variety pack. I found Abuelita's coffee in the instant mix, so I had to get it. Oh, these chips, Maui onion flavored. Yes, I did get the Truly. And I forgot we got one more item for the morning. We can make this. It's a biscuit, egg, and cheese sandwiches.